name is Rob Rogers. I'm the principal at RHR Systems Track-It Software. 20 years ago, I was standing at the Baltimore airport during a torrential downpour lightning bolt flight that shut down the airport. We had to take a car to DC to try and get a flight out after HITEC. So I was attending HITEC and trying to make some business happen, which was successful, but the flight out of here was not successful 20 years ago. It was a disaster. I have a lot of interesting memories of Hospitality Upgrade. It's always been exciting to read the publication. It's always been about the content and not about the publication. It's been a great avenue for us to see what's going on in the industry. In a magazine publication in our industry, there's all about advertising, selling ad space, trying to make sure that the publication pays for itself based on that. Rich has always been about the content and the quality of the publication, and that to me really says it all about our industry. Well, it's always congratulations for the first 20 years of your publication. I look forward to reading it virtual in the next 20 years.